we're getting you live images of Kejriwal's release. This is from moments ago when he came out waving, beaming to the crowds present there as AAP supporters thronged Tihar jail at the premises, chanting along with Arvind Kejriwal. It was pouring down, but that didn't stop the Delhi Chief Minister from getting atop his vehicle and celebrating with the sea of AAP supporters who'd gathered at the Tihar jail. As we speak, he's currently headed to his residence in Civil Lines, the official CM residence, and there too there's a mega celebration planned as scores of AAP workers are present there. The AAP leadership itself, many of them were with Kejriwal at Tihar jail, some stationed at his residence. Soon after this, Kejriwal will be headed inside with the senior leadership, reportedly to hold a meeting. Tomorrow, in all likelihood, there will be another massive show of strength by Arvind Kejriwal as he'll visit Rajghat as well as a Hanuman temple. All of this, of course, is something we've seen, a script we've seen play out just 3 months ago when he was released on bail. But since then to now, of the last 3 months, there have been so many political developments that now Kejriwal's release for the Aam Aadmi Party extremely crucial, particularly because it's coming in the run-up with just weeks to go for the Haryana elections. Let me bring in our reporters on this broadcast. Sneha Murdani is joining us live from Tihar jail. Sneha, Kejriwal has of course left from that spot. Next stop is going to be at his residence, but a clear message going across from the AAP supporters there who gather in such large numbers. The weather didn't let it hamper their spirits whatsoever. They continued with their celebrations, and Arvind Kejriwal too joining in their jubilation, sending out a message that his resolve is 100 times stronger than before.
Well, absolutely. Akshita, look at the optics of it, and it really matters in politics like it does in life, doesn't it? Arvind Kejriwal atop that pan, completely drenched. It's raining cats and dogs right here. Completely drenched, addressing the workers, saying that if the idea was to break my spirit, it's been counterproductive because that has not happened, clearly. And my resolve has been strengthened 100 times more. This is the leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, essentially that sprung from a movement way back in 2011. And the workers here have had a very difficult time over the last few months or so. I would say roughly a little less than 2 years, when the top leadership one by one had to in fact face charges in different cases, like Satyendra Jain in a case, then Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, the other leaders of the party. Also now the Delhi Chief Minister, who was behind bars for 6 months, just when he was expecting relief from the Enforcement Directorate, under whose custody he was, the CBI arrested him in the month of June. He got some relief to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. The party has not been able to put their heads together to strategize, and this is why Arvind Kejriwal's release becomes extremely important. He continues to be that one fulcrum for this party, and it's extremely important to keep that in mind because elections...
So he can campaign, which is the good news for AAP. He can campaign in Haryana, but there's a big question mark on how he'll continue as the Chief Minister of Delhi.